Single leg extension. Coming into the leg extension machine. Make sure that you're isolating your upper body by holding onto the handles. And to know that you're in proper form, ankles, knee, hip, all in a straight line. I like to think like put my fist right in here. We're about fist distance from the knees throughout the process. So we're gonna start one leg, exhale coming up, squeezing at the top. Inhale coming down to the point where the machine's not gonna touch. Keeping constant tension on the muscle, exhale. As you're doing this exercise, with your toe pointed in one place, either up to your shin or down away from your body. If you point it up to your shin, you'll feel it more in this portion of the quad. If you point it down away from your body, you'll feel it more in the upper part.